All right, guys, 2024 Ford F-350 STX. The guy was saying he didn't know if they come in this package. Basically, the STX, it's got everything other than the bells and whistles of the Lariat. So it's like a workhorse with the nice outer appearance look. It's clean. Look at this thing. It's a beast. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So it's got factory converter there. Did you hear the sound? Factory converter there. It's really low. And then what we did is usually there's a resonator there or a muffler. We took it off and straight typed it all the way through with 2.5 other than the X pipe. There's the X pipe right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe goes all the way back. And then it goes over the rear end. And he didn't want the dual look out on each side. He doesn't like that, as you guys can see. So he took it over the rear end. We took it over and put it out the side on one side. It's a nice clean look. Came out really pretty. He's going to do a lift kit next. Barely has any miles on it. Just came out really nice, really clean. There it is. Good looking truck. Ford Super Duty. What do you guys think of that look? Would you rather have two out on one side or one on each side, like here and here? That's the usual, but I like it this way too. I like it too. It's clean. Anyways, this is where the resonator comes in with 2 in, 1 out. And what he was talking about is it's really, really congested in there. So it chokes the truck, this one right here. So he always recommends you take that off. He did a lot of research. He said, if nothing else, take this one off because it's choking the truck. You'll gain like 15, 20 horsepower by just taking that off. Anyways, there's 3-inch pipe right there. Then the stock muffler's right there. As you guys can see, offset. And then there's that gigantic tailpipe out the back with a baby resonator in the middle too. We took all that off and replaced it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's a lot cleaner looking. Look at that. Came out like that. I like it. It's custom. And it's low. This thing takes the whole lift up. How long is this truck? Do you know?
I don't know. It's 4.8 foot bed, so it's
yeah. And he came down all the way from Missouri, so we appreciate it. Come on down and see us anytime. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. This is idle, guys. Cold start idle. Right at 100. When it settles down, right at 88, 89. It sounds so good. Give it gas. I got a pop. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Again. 118, guys. Go ahead again. 119. It's almost at 120. I like that pop. Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. That 2.5 really complements it nicely. We were gonna do 3-inch, but it's really tight after on the rear end. After the rear end, so we went with 2.5. Okay. Anyways, back to recording. They put a loudspeaker inside in the grill.
yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. Those ones that we use for the alarm. You see the one in the alarm?
Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, it's clean.
I'm glad I went with the longer tips.
Yeah. This is the long bit too.
Yeah.
Jeez. What do you do?
Trying to get into tree work.
Oh, that sounds phenomenal. Yeah, it sounds clean. You guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. SXT 3560 Dickerson pipe. There's our phone number if you guys ever want to give us a call. Again? Yeah, what a workhorse. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside. This sucker's so long, he's gonna probably do a 3-point turn to be able to get it out of here. That's a true work truck though. This sucker's huge. How much I have to back up to get it in the camera. I like that look though. Came out nice. Anyway, with the longer 18-inch tips, all you see is black, which looks really clean. You gotta put a lift kit on it next. Wow. Very nice. I like it. Guys, we got a massive Chevy Tahoe with some fat lift. He's gonna lift it even more, guys. And 6-inch tips. He wanted them to stick out a little bit more and angled, so we got them. It's true dual straight pipe, and he cut the cats off too. Rev it. That is freaking insane, man. It's so loud. Enjoy it, bro. Those 6-inch tips really amplify the sound. That is crazy. Here we go. All day, every day, guys. I love it.